Okay, section 21 is where if you can master this and if you can get into this niche, if you can get into this space, your income is going to skyrocket. This section is about joint venture partnerships. And for me, a joint venture partnership is finding someone like me, someone who has a massive list or some kind of big following who can drive a lot of traffic to your site, and you go to them and you do a deal of one sort or another and you get them to expose your product. So it's not just a regular everyday affiliate on ClickBank or regular everyday affiliate on some network, but we're talking about somebody who can drive tens of thousands of clicks and really just huge surges in your business by lining up these joint venture partnerships, whether it be doing webinars or just doing emails or just all of the different things that you can do to attract and make sure to take care of. It's a natural progression. Once you got your products, you got your analytics, you got everything in place, then you're getting affiliates in there and your affiliates are making money and your affiliates are happy. Then it's easy to go to someone who has a massive list and say, hey, you know what, I've got a killer product that's doing really well. Maybe you meet him at an event, you're having some drinks with them, whatever it is. That's the way that you really take your business into a whole nother level of expansion when it comes to the affiliate marketing type stuff. So, that's what you're looking for. That's what you're going to want to do. And in this section, we're going to teach you everything that you need to know about how to go out there and get JV partners. One of the key things I'm going to tell you and just let out of the, cat out of the bag at this point is the easiest and best way to get high-level affiliates and joint venture partners is get an IOU from them. If you've got a membership base that's growing, if you've got a list that's growing, go out there and promote other people's products. Go out there and participate in launches and get on the radar of these higher level affiliates and create an IOU. And now it's not necessarily an IOU, but it is, right? If you're out there really supporting someone, they're way more likely to listen to you. If you've made them a bunch of money and you come to them and you say, hey, you know what? I love supporting you. I've got this killer product. They're going to be way more interested in listening to you because you've already gone out, you paid it forward, you drove a bunch of traffic, you made them money, and now you're going to be able to go back to them and they're going to be way more receptive to you as a JV partner and helping you grow your stuff. So with that, let's go ahead and dig into this. Let's get you some high-level joint venture partners, which can just boom and catapult your business to a whole new level. And so we'll see you on the inside.